Hello students, today we are going to start with our first chapter M1 Mathematical Logic. In this chapter, the word logic is derived from the Greek word logos, which means reasoning. First topic is statements. A declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously is called a statement in logic. And the statements are denoted by small letters P, Q, R, etc. A statement is either true or false, and this truth or falsity of a statement is called its truth value. And its truth value is denoted by capital T and F. These are some examples of statements. First example, Delhi is the capital of India. This is simple sentence and its truth value is T, so it is a statement. Second example, the sum of two odd integers is an odd integer. This is also a simple sentence and its truth value is F, so it is called as a statement. Next, how are you? It is not a statement because it is a question. We cannot define its truth value. Next, please come here. It is also not a statement because it is a request. So there are some logical connectives in this chapter. First, a combination of two or more simple statements is called a compound statement. Example, Rama is tall and Rama is thin. Now in this sentence, Rama is tall and Rama is thin. These are two simple statements which are joined by a logical connective and, so it is called as a compound statement. The second example is the sun shines or it rains. So the word or phrase which connect two or more simple statements to form a compound statement are called logical connectives. Now this is the chart of logical connectives. There are total 5 logical connectives. First logical connective is and its symbol is reversible V. Its name is conjunction. Second connective is or. Its symbol is like V and its name is disjunction. Third connective is not. Its symbol is like this and its name is negation. Next connective is if then. Its symbol is like a single arrow and its name is conditional or implication. Next, if and only if, or in short it is written as IFF and its symbol is double side arrow. Its name is biconditional or double implication. So we will learn one by one logical connective. First is conjunction. A compound statement formed by combining two given simple statements by the connective word and is called a conjunction. Now here is the truth table of conjunction. Now there are four possibilities of truth value of any two statements. Suppose P and Q are two statements, then their truth value are 4. Means either if both the statements are true or first one is true, second is false, or first is false, second is true, or both the statements are false. Then their logical connective P and Q is defined as if both the statements P and Q are true, then their conjunction is also true. So here you have to only learn about that. If both the statements are true, then their conjunction is also true. Otherwise, write the values F. Next is a disjunction. It is a compound statement formed by joining two statements with the connective OR. Now here is the truth table of P disjunction Q. Now in this again values of P and Q are remain same. Here you have to only learn about if both the statements are false, then their P disjunction Q is also false. Now next topic is negation. The connective word not operates on only one sentence. Next is conditional statement or it is also called as implication. A compound statement formed by combining two given simple statements by the phrase if then. Now here is the truth table of implication. P implies Q. If the first statement is true and second statement is false, then their P implies Q is also false. Otherwise write the value T. Next is biconditional statement, or it is also called as double implication. A compound statement formed by combining two given simple statements by the phrase if and only if. Now here is the truth table. Now its condition is if both the values of statements are true, same or false, then P double implies Q is T, otherwise F. Now these are symbolic form of statements. For example, now P is the simple sentence. It is cloudy, and Q is another simple sentence. It is still raining. Now its symbolic form of first logical connective. It is cloudy and still raining is denoted by the symbol P and Q, or it is read as P conjunction Q. Second, it is cloudy or still raining, P or Q or P disjunction Q. It is not cloudy, means negation of P. If it is cloudy, then it is raining. Its symbolic form is P implies Q. It is cloudy if and only if it is raining. Its symbolic form is P double implies Q. Now next topic is the open sentence. A sentence which contains one or more variables is called an open sentence. For example, x plus 5 is equal to 8. Now in this sentence, if x is equal to 3, then this sentence becomes a true. If x is not equal to 3, then this sentence becomes a false. So it is called as the open sentence. The phrases quantify the variables in open sentences are called quantifiers. The quantifier for all or for every is called universal quantifier and is denoted by reversible A. The quantifier for some or for one or there exist is called existential quantifier and is denoted by the symbol reversible E. An open sentence with a quantifier is called quantified statement. For example, there exists x belongs to n such that x square is equal to 36. This sentence becomes true when value of x is equal to 6. For all x belongs to n such that x square is greater than equal to 1 is a true statement for all values of x. Thank you.